Hello friends. Uh, the most viewed video on this channel by the time of recording this video, and probably for some more time since there is no other video that is going faster in the number of views, is a video about establishing a VNC connection to Android phone. And I thought of redoing the video and trying to make it better, at least from the side of doing it directly instead of simply establishing the connection and then coming back and telling about the steps. I thought of doing the steps one by one in front of you, although this is quite simple. No need to worry that much about if it's complicated or easy. It's quite simple and easy, and you don't need to worry that much about doing it. So you need to have Droid VNC application, Droid VNC-NG. The settings, I will tell you about them. So the port should mostly stay the same. The password, you make your own password. The access key, never mind, keep it the way it is. It will not change anything. The start on boot option, it's up to you. You wanna enable it or disable it. It may be better to keep it disabled and started whenever needed. The start delay, it's also self-descriptive. Most of these options are self-descriptive. File transfer is a good option if you want to transfer files between the two devices, Android and the client, which is mostly a computer. The scaling, you need to be careful with it. If you increase it, it can be out of the limits of your resolution on your computer. That's why for me this is probably the best that is compatible with my computer. You should check yours. This is view only option, mouse cursors, let's enable it, why not. The next thing is we click start here or tap it. Here we click yes, accessibility disabled, so we click yes. We go to it. Here this menu will appear to you. It may not be exactly the same on your phone. Select this one, enable it. This is another confirmation. Click here or tap enable. Go back. Sorry, this is an old phone. And then this is another prompt. You click here, allow. It's working. Another thing you need to know is your IP address on your phone. There are many ways to know it, like from your for example, you can know it from your router or by using the command IP A on Termix, as I guess, or probably this needs the installation of another software which is IP route, I guess, so you will not find it in case you're using this same application. So the command should be IP config, like this, enter, and you will probably have two interfaces at least. One of them is loopback. Second one, I myself have three. Look for the one that is for the Wi-Fi. In my case it's WLAN 0. So this is my IP address. Sorry if my hands are shaking. This is my IP address. You should keep yours in mind since you're gonna use it for the connection. Okay, we double check if our Droid VNC-NG application is running. It tells us that it's running here, which means that it will accept connections. Here it says that 0 clients are connected. So we will see after we make the connection from the client. As a client, here I put my phone in order for you to see that it's gonna be mirrored on the screen. As a client, I'm gonna use this computer, which is a ThinkPad running Linux. The distribution is OpenSUSE. We will open the VNC viewer, and it should be by, in my case I'm using Tiger VNC. You can use whichever as long as it's VNC protocol compatible here. And then you should type your IP address here if you didn't change the IP address of the client. In my case it's 10.0.1.75, so you should type yours. If you changed the port, which you can do already, in my case it's 5900, you should type it also after a colon. Like if you want to make the connection like this, you should type a new port if it is something else aside from the default one, like for example XXX or let's say ABCD variables for you for the new port. In case it remained the same, you didn't change it, simply click connect here, and then you will get a place where you type your password. In my case it's 1 2 3 4 5 as you've seen. Okay, and this is our client as this is our VNC server, as you can see viewed on our client. It's exactly the same as the server here. Okay, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in similar content, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and peace.